Now we see the parts of a computer. It can be divided into three parts. The first one is input unit, and second CPU, that is the central processing unit, and third one is output unit. First we see the input unit. Input unit is nothing but it helps to send the data and commands for the processing. Already stored, no? So these data is sent to the for according to the commands. The hardware device that are used to input data is called the input devices, like keyboard, mouse, scanner, barcode reader, and microphone, mic, web camera, light pen, joystick is some of the input device. Okay, and then next we see the mouse. Is a essential part of a computer. Is a standard mouse has two buttons, no, and a scroll ball in the middle. Okay, the mouse is used to move the pointer on a computer screen, and then right button is used to select the files and to open the folder, and left button is used to carry out the corrections, that is the editing process in the file. The page on the monitor can be moved up and down. The cursor will be moved up and down, no, is using the with the help of what? Scroll ball. And then keyboard is an input device as is a mouse. Okay, a keyboard delivers data in the form of what? Letters, numbers, and symbols to the computer. Okay, the keys used to type the keys with numbers are called what? Number keys, and key with the letters are called alphabet keys. We know that numbers 0 to from the 0 to 9, these are called the number keys, and keys with letters from A to Z are called what? Alphabet keys. Now we move the topic central processing unit, that is the parts of computer is second unit. The CPU is the brain of computer. Why is called the brain of computer means here only the memory unit is having, so that's why we call the brain of computer. The data is processed in the CPU. Okay, the data is processed where? In the CPU only. The CPU has namely three parts, that is one is memory unit, and another one is arithmetic logic, and finally control unit. Okay, once the data, that is the input, the data enters into where? Control unit first. This control unit controls the functions of all the parts of the computer. Okay, after that it's move on where? Arithmetic logic unit. It performs all the arithmetic computations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division also. And after that it comes to the memory unit. The memory unit doing what? It saves all data and information temporarily. Can classify memory unit in two types, namely primary and secondary memory. Here the memory, secondary memory means here what? In the compact disk, that is the externally with the help of we can save that. So compact disk, that is CD, and then pen drive. Here the computer storage and memory is often measured following bytes, that is what? 1 KB, that is the 1 kilobytes is called is equal 1024 byte, and 1 MB megabytes is equal to 1024 kilobytes, and 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabyte, and 1 terabyte equal to 1024 gigabyte, isn't it? So again I repeat, 1 KB is equal 1024 byte, 1 MP is equal 1024 KB, and 1 GB is equal 1024 MB megabyte, and 1 terabyte is equal 1024 gigabyte. Okay, these are all help measure the computer storage and memory. Okay, so after that memory unit it's come to where? Output. So the output unit converts the command received by computer in the form of binary signals, that is the two signals, okay, analog to digital signals. And then it can be easily understandable characters, monitor, printer, speaker, scanner are some of the output devices. So first, central process unit has namely three parts. One is memory unit, another arithmetic logic, and third one is control unit. The data entered entered into the control unit. Its function all parts of the computer. After that, enter into the arithmetic logic unit. It's perform the arithmetically. After that, it's come to the memory unit. The memory unit is data, all the data and information stored temporarily, and it can be classified into the primary memory and secondary memory, and secondary memory with the help of external, that is the CD and pen drive. And then output, it's come to the output via VC to the monitor and take the print also, whatever it is, okay.